Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me.
Hey guys, it's Tran. Today I'm here with a new video for you. Today I am showing you guys 3 outfits that I wore in Nashville, Tennessee when I went a couple weeks ago. Get excited, this is gonna be fun. And also, if you guys wanna follow me on Instagram, I definitely put some outfit inspiration there. If you guys wanna follow me on my Like to Know It, if you wanna shop my fits, that's where I usually link everything. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you wanna watch more mid-size fashion videos and body positive videos in general. Plus, I also do some lifestyle vlogs, New York City vlogs, where I also share outfits in those vlogs as well, and you know, other fun New York City things. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get started into the first outfit.
You may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. You my salty crush, I'm doing something different.
Hey guys, so I'm here with the first outfit that I wore in Nashville. You guys have definitely seen this dress before if you, oh my god, who is she? Because I've definitely shown it in other videos before. Unfortunately, I got this thrifting, but I have found something similar that I'm gonna link down below. Like, it doesn't have the floral printing, but the idea of the dress I think is kind of there. So I'll link it down below just in case you guys wanna check it out. But yeah, this is a really cute dress. It's from Mink Pink. I love this so much. Like, it literally makes me feel so comfy and so comfortable and so confident. It made me feel like a Southern belle while I was in Tennessee. This is the bag I wore with it. This is the only bag I took to begin with. This is the only one you're gonna see throughout the time. That's because traveling and we only had one suitcase, you know, because we didn't want to take more than one because we didn't have to pay for more than one. The struggles. And then of course I'm wearing my Nike Air Force Ones. And then with my jewelry, I'm wearing my Daisy London jewelry. All of it is from Daisy London. It was super cute and super easy to throw on for the hibachi day with the family. So, loved that.
Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
Hey guys, so this is the second outfit I wore, and it's actually the one I wore to Manel's and that I wore to the Sioux, because it kind of gave me some safari vibes with the actual shorts, which is why I was like, this is the perfect fit. It's a top from H&M, and I love this top. If you guys saw my H&M haul, you guys saw the back was so cute. It's just a tie back, and I'm just obsessed with that. I think it's super pretty and feminine. So this is the top, super cute, very inexpensive from H&M. I think it was only $12.99 or something. These shorts have been instantly my new favorite shorts. They're just so comfortable. They're so nice, and they have like a really thick band, so it doesn't really like bend over like some others would. And they have pockets, so it's really, really nice. And they are just really nice and flowy, and I'm obsessed with them. Also, if I didn't mention this in the last outfit, this is also from H&M. It was pretty inexpensive. It was like $24, I think, and it's gonna last me throughout the summer, which I love. And then I'm just wearing my Nike Air Force Ones, as it was essentially the only pair of shoes that I took on the trip. And of course, the Daisy London jewelry is what I'm wearing as well. And it's overall very, very cute. There it is one more time.
Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving I've been. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. Must leave, overdose on empathy. My pops and me, more screenshots of me. The streets are free, go ahead and take from me. Feeling right, out of line. Gotta hit my boy Ricky for the way up the time. Proud of driven, but it's nothing but the climb and grind. Take the time, tripping over space and time. My mind the line, spinning like a god of time.
Alright guys, so this is the outfit that I finally wore to downtown Nashville. This is the outfit that I was at bars at, drinking a margarita at, spilling a margarita on on myself. This was the fit. It was great. Once again, I've got the Daisy London jewelry happening. I've got this really cute top from H&M. I know, like I said, I'm so obsessed with H&M. If H&M could sponsor me, that would be literally my dream because I love their clothing. This really cute top is from H&M and I think it's just really pretty. At first I was kind of self-conscious about my arms. You know what? I'm just gonna embrace them and embrace the fact that they aren't super slim or anything and just live my best life and wear the cute tops because it doesn't matter. And then I got these jeans from Madewell and they're honestly like so comfortable. Such comfy jeans. And then of course I'm wearing my Air Force Ones. Overall that's the outfit, but I also was wearing these glasses that I actually ended up purchasing in Nashville. They're from the Ray-Ban store, so I thought they were super cute and I felt like they spiced up the fit for sure. I want to let you guys know that I will be linking everything down below as well as the sizes that I got in everything. I will link everything down below, but just so you guys know I did get this in a size large and these pair of jeans are in a size 30. Alright guys, so with that I will chat with you guys like in the next video. I do have a recreating Pinterest outfits coming out. I have it filmed, I have it ready. The only thing is I'm still getting approved, making sure that is good to go before I post it. But please subscribe so you do not miss out on the recreating Pinterest outfits that I am posting this time around. So I will chat with you guys in the next one. Bye!
Might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna